In this module, we'll take some time to study how to create the various other chart types that were mentioned earlier. We'll start off with a line graph. Line graphs are used to show trends over time and often have a date component within them. If we go over here and take a quick peek at our data, you notice we have our years right here, our countries going across this way, and what we want to do is create a line graph based off them. So we'll select them and then go up and click where it says Insert Chart. And then we'll go over here to the line option. Now the key here is when you click on the drop arrow, you're going to see various types of line graphs available to you. I'd suggest you let your mouse hover over these various types just to see how Excel is going to present your data to you, because it could impact you in the way you want your data to be displayed. In this case, I'll go with this option right here. And from this point, it picks up from the previous module in which we showed you how to do chart formatting. And for the sake of time, we'll forego that, assuming that you have watched the previous module. Moving on, let's talk about the often maligned pie graph. The idea behind the pie chart is it shows your data in proportions. Oftentimes, pie charts have percentages displayed, so we want to make sure we show you how to do that as well. If you want to create the pie chart, just recognize pie charts are based off of totals. So what we want to do is select our countries here, then hold our Control key down and select our total sale amounts. Then go up and click where it says Insert Chart, and we'll choose this icon right here to create the pie chart. And now let's show you how to display the percentages. To do this, we'll go over here where it says Add Chart Element and choose Outside End. We'll see some numbers being displayed, but that's okay. We can change that. The way we can change that is to do a right click, then Format Data Labels. And then over here on the right-hand side, we want to look for the label options. And then from here, all we have to do is uncheck value and show the percentage instead. And there we go. And that'll do it for the pie chart. Next, let's talk about how to create a tree map. Now, ironically, a tree map looks nothing like a tree. Rather, what it is, it's a bunch of rectangles. The idea behind the tree map is the larger the rectangle, the larger the data set. So to make the tree map, let's select our countries, hold our Control key down, select our sales totals, go up and click where it says Insert Chart, then choose the tree map icon, which is right here. And right there's your tree map. And again, going with our theme, once the chart has been created, it's just a matter of changing the formats. Moving on, let's talk about how to create a combo chart. A combo chart is just like it sounds. It's different chart types blended into one single chart. Best understood by way of example. Go up here and select all of our data, and then click this icon right here. Go over to where it says All Charts. Down at the bottom, it'll say Combo. And here's where you can create your different combinations. Granted, you may have to click on some drop arrows to get the type of chart that you want, but overall, it's not too bad. In our case, it looks like we had to change the chart type to a clustered. And then over here, where it says total sales, what we'll do is switch that to a line graph, and we can include a secondary axis if we want. Once we're satisfied with the appearance, we can click OK. And right there is your combo chart.